If you remember Sybil. Actually, no, not if you remember her. If you were here a few years ago. Yeah. Sybil studied in New York. Well, we met studying in London. Well, in London. And then, yes. And then we came to study in New York and came for Thanksgiving and for Halloween. And
now you're visiting.
You're doing your internship in Bern, but you're from Strasbourg.
Yep, French girl.
French girl, Frenchie. And we're gonna go on a hike.
Yes, oeschinensee.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. We got our stuff from Lidl, and now we're on Zug.
Bern train. Zug.
To Rig. Aber where are we getting off? We're getting off at Kandersteg. And we're gonna have a picnic on the train. Yes.
In summer. I don't know.
Teil fährt weiter nach Frutigen, Kandersteg.
Why is that so? To me, following the class sounds nice.
Oh my god. We're gonna follow the school children.
I mean, but sometimes they're probably
Merci
are.
vielmals.
Merci vielmals.
We made it to...
Grüße.
Yay! Oh, there's horses. Oh, wow. Oh, we're doing real nature stuff. Wait, what? I don't know what I was trying to say there.
What's non-real nature stuff?
I meant like, I don't know. That's not going in.
Maybe I should get rid of everything.
I want to do that so bad.
So French.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, I'm French. Okay, hold on. I have. Want a puff?
Where we're going.
There's still a lot of
Yay! Oh, don't tumble down the mountain, please. That would be unfortunate.
Sorry, just making fun.
We made it.
Oeschinensee, here we are.
Here we are. Wait.
Ice cream and coffee.
There we go. To the cafe. Yeah.
The best product I've ever.
Found our spot. And there's the view.
But I'm too lazy.
Me too, I was thinking that.
Oh, Max.
Come in the water. It's kind of darker than I thought. Like, I thought I would be able to see my feet. Warmer than I thought, but it's so cold.
I think I'm gonna try. They like to say things, and then I saw like a random French word. Oh, you're greasy her.
Okay.
Oh, that'd be funny. And then there are French people in front of us. There are French people behind us. I feel like I'm
This one
being
right here.
followed.
Being stalked by the front. But we walked to the lake. It was absolutely beautiful. And now we're heading back. Here's the drop down. We just saved a dog. as you saw, I just happened to get on video that the dog just ran into the rushing water down the rocks. And then we pulled him up. Oh my God, I almost cried. She was so scared, and then she was like kissing him, and I was like, oh,
Yeah,
I miss Siggy.
it was moving.
I know. Bern, thun. They're doing surfing like in Munich. We have arrived in Thun. Here we are. And we had to run to the train. We did the hike and then ran. Oh. It's kind of loud, but hopefully you can hear us. But what did you think of the hike?
Such a good hike.
Yes.
Very tired, but amazing views.
I've always wanted to do something like that. And I didn't think I really would, or I didn't know how, but I'm glad. That was so cool. Definitely experience. I love that. And then we sleep well tonight. I'm tired. Schlafen. Show the bear. The bear. And that's the
bear. That's
the
Bern canton flag.
Oh my gosh. We thought we were done with our hike, and we thought the sunset was done. But then we ended up running up the stairs, and it kept getting better and better. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Came into the room and the thing came on. This is nice. Good morning, everyone. I had such a great day yesterday. It was so incredible. Look at this. I'm at my hotel. I was at the gym. I wanted to take advantage of the weights because I haven't used weights in a month, and I've been missing that. But then I saw this door, and then I realized, oh my gosh, they must have a terrace, and they do. You can see the mountains and the church. It's incredible. It's like my window in Italy. It's the same window. This is how the room should have been. Let's just say that. Let's go explore Bern. Right now, I'm walking to the Cornhouse Bridge. Sybil said it has such a nice view. And if I go down on my right, just look, a giant giraffe. If I go down the right, it'd take me to a nice pathway to get to the botanical gardens. So that is what we will do. I'm under the bridge, like she said. Made it to the university, botanical gardens. It's so nice in here. So this section here is a bunch of like plants that smell. There's rosemary here. These flowers, they're called Schokoladenblume. They truly smell like chocolate. It's so funny. So peaceful. There's a little cafe. A view of the water too. And I think I can walk along the water when walking back. Well, I was gonna say, we're having another picnic in the Rosengarten during Sybil's lunch break.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Salut à tous et bon appétit.
I'm back at the hotel. I'm exhausted. I took it easy today. I still did a lot of walking. I walked to the botanical gardens, as you saw. Took the path that Sybil told me to take, and then came back here. We met up for lunch, but we walked to the rose gardens, which was so pretty. Everywhere has a view here. Everywhere's like on a beautiful hill with a gorgeous view. It's insane. And then I walked back down, but I sat on a bench at a lookout point she was telling me about. That was gorgeous. I sat there forever. I walked around like the side streets of the old town that I wanted to see, and came back here. I think now I'm going to go to Soeschinensee, because there isn't one in Porto and there isn't one at home, and I love that store. So let's go.
Vanilla, bourbon, Madagascar, vanilla bourbon, ginger and raspberry. The ginger taste is really prominent. It's really nice.
I got coconut and raspberry.
I hate coconut.
You do?
I do.
Good morning. It's Tuesday. I'm sitting up on the roof here at the hotel. I had breakfast. I'm editing my video. I'm gonna check out at around 12, meet Sybil, then head to Basel. I have a flight which was delayed. I mean, it was at like 9:30 and now it's delayed till 10. But wow, look at this, the editing view. What I did yesterday, we were gonna go swimming in the free swimming pool that they have, but it's September now, so they close at at 7, so I couldn't do that. We just got ice cream at a popular place. Definitely the cheapest thing here. That was $3.80. Everything here is so expensive. Like food though, food's so expensive here.
Oh, can you maybe take a pic? Sure.
Do you want to say bye for the vlog?
Salut!
Bye!
Bisous! Bisous, 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 bisous.